let's go into a battle
and
battle death
have some fun.
in the comment box if you wish.
So, we're starting off with the giant. I'm thinking maybe a giant poison deck, but hopefully not. Because they can poison my Alexa pad.
This should take out the tower easily.
You see everyone on boss. And this guy will most likely take out my tower. Okay, so. Yeah, take that for me. Yeah, everyone. I'm gonna take this tower down. Woo! Yeah, everyone. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, everyone. Bang. Da ba da ba da 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 ba da ba da da. John's got it.
I'm gonna go that way with the prince. Yeah, boys, that's the way to go. I win again.
Did you win again?
Silver chest.
Not too good.
Let's see what I get.
Dang it, everyone. Oh, that was perfect. Now I can just splat this in. Oh, done. Perfect.
And minion horns, yes, 25 of them. Can I upgrade them? Yes, I can. I am so glad.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm going hard, everyone. I'm going hard, everyone.
Oh my god. Look up at the top left corner. I have 220 out of 1,000 experience points. Oh yeah, let's see. I feel like going Clash of Clans or Boom Beach and doing a little bonus for you guys. This Clash of Clans, I've only just started. And I'm not rushing, I'm trying to knock out everything. Oh, this! Oh yeah, I want all my defenses. I'm surprised about that though. Oh no. Who's left it? I'm gonna, let's see, who's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm gonna upload this.
Yeah, boys. That's how you do it.
So that's all of my walls.
So we wasted all his
Everything
Alexa,
that area
and
is max.
obviously I had the Alexa advantage. And that's how you start the day off with the battle. For a bonus today, I will be switching over to be playing some Clash of Clans, so quickly do that. So you can have a fun watch. So this is Clash of Clans here. I think Town Hall 3 because I've just started. And I'm having some fun. Also having a good time. Lost a big battle because I suck.
Yeah, they're gonna die.
I've got an achievement today, by the looks of things.
Wow, this guy he's used all of his troops. When he does a battle, he needs to bring more troops. Yeah, he didn't even take one tower out. When he does, he needs to. When he battles someone, he needs to have more troops. He does. That guy needs to have
so this is Clan War right now.
Let's see the next one.
So who's winning? Currently my clan is winning. seen one star by then.
But still, he's not
That is my old account, Mega Alpha
Look, I've got 3 defensive
Beast.
shooting at him.
Um,
Look how fast they're going down.
yeah. So, I'm very
Yeah, you
lucky
got
that I've
one.
been put into his clan.
1. I think that's the first.
Yeah, so
It's
I'm
not.
gonna watch my friends replay.
Wow, that was easy.
Let's see.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, let's see the last one.
Oh, sorry, wow.
No,
So
he's gonna die. But he has more troops though too, so.
Well, 666, 13, 12.
He's probably going to get
And then
more
next.
down than the other one.
Holy
Yeah, he's
cow.
definitely getting more. He's supposed to be
Hold on.
Yeah, look at the cannons going at him. Yeah, you can get
So,
any loot.
that is my friend's base. Unfortunately, I couldn't play the whole replay. I'll go for a live attack now. See if you guys enjoy it or not. I won't go that base. It's a little bit crazy. Same with that base. This base. Yeah, let's go this base. Let's see. Take out this cannon. No, go for the cannon. And goblins. Goblin spam. Yeah. That's going to be all my goblins going in. Hopefully we can 3-star. Looks like it's going to be a 3-star right now. So, make sure you enjoy. These goblins are going to do work against that town hall. Yeah, looks like a pretty simple 3-star. My friend's just over there, recording on Boom Beach, I think. Or Clash of Clans. And yay, I've got wall breakers. Yay.
I'll do an attack for you guys. And then I'll go on Boom Beach.
So everyone, I am on Clash of Clans if I haven't said yet. I'm going to be upgrading my barracks to level 5 today to get them to max level and let's have some fun. Now that's going to be it for today, everyone, and I'll be playing Boom Beach right now. Switching over and we'll see what I can do if there's Dr. Terror come on or anything. I have restarted. I will be upgrading my Raidens. What do I have? Some of that action. And I'll explore some new worlds. Some more diamonds. Some more diamonds. What else is there? So I've got something in the mail. Nice. For me. Cool messages. And today, that'll be it for Boom Beach. Nothing really going on, so I might not go and attack anything. So that'll be it for today, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure you leave a like and down below and subscribe. Bye.